In this video, you'll learn how to add high-quality dashboard images to your documentation. Open your Power BI file on Microsoft Power BI desktop software. Click on File menu. Click on the Export to PDF option. Save the PDF file to your computer. Now we have all dashboard images printed in PDF. In RapidDox, and click on the Import button. Select the PDF file you just exported from Power BI. Once the image processing has completed, you'll see imported images from the PDF file on the screen. On the right, you'll see the preview of the dashboard image that you selected. Click on an image and select the name of the dashboard at the bottom to link them. Continue this process for all the dashboards. Click Next. Let's see the output in PDF by clicking on the PDF option and saving the file. Open the PDF file and browse to the Dashboard section. In the output, you'll see high-quality dashboard images assigned for each dashboard. For more video tutorials and product information, please visit RapidDox.com.